Hello kids, we have completed 9B from RS Aggarwal. So in today's class, let's start with exercise 9C. So basically 9C is consisted of the multiple choice questions. All are the objective questions. What we have to do is we have to pick the correct answer and check it. Okay, so let's start the class quickly. The first question is, so what we have to do is mark against the correct answer in each of the following. We have to mark the correct answer. The first is, which of the following has no endpoints? So the options are a line segment. We know that a line segment has two endpoints. Array has one endpoint. A line has no endpoint, and then none of these. So answer will be a line because a line has no endpoints. Okay. So answer is C. Next is, which of the following has one endpoint? So like I said that array has a one endpoint. So here our option will be B. Third one is, which of the following has two endpoints? And we know that a line segment has two fixed endpoints. So the answer will be option A. Fourth is, which of the following has definite length? And we know here that a line segment has fixed points and definite length. A line doesn't have definite length. Array also doesn't have a definite length because both of them, they are extended in infinite direction. Array in one line and in one direction it is extended to infinite point, and a line in both the directions. So our answer is a line segment which has a definite length. Next is, which of the following can be drawn on a piece of paper? So since both ray and line, they are extending to infinity, we cannot draw on them on a piece of paper. We can always draw a fixed line segment. Next one is, how many lines can be drawn passing through a given point? And we have done that from a given point, we can draw infinite number of lines. So the answer will be unlimited number. Next is, how many lines can be drawn passing through two given points? This also we have seen that we can draw only one line passing through two given points, right? We have done this. So answer is 2. Then two plane intersect at a point, in a plane, in a line, or none of these. So here we know that the two planes, they intersect always in a line. All right. Okay. Next is, two lines intersect at a point, at 2 points, at an infinite number of points, or in a line. So we know that two lines, they always intersect at a point. Okay. So answer is A. We have done all this. Next we have is, 2 points in a plane determine. If we have 2 points in a plane, they determine exactly one line segment, two line segments, infinite number of line segments, or none of these. Same thing we have done here. So this thing, the question number 7 and 10, they are similar. So we will have exactly one line segment for 2 points in a plane. Next is, the minimum number of points of intersection of three lines in a plane. So supposedly we have three lines. This one, I'm marking it as line 1, line 2 and line 3. We have three lines in a plane. What is the minimum number of point of intersection of three lines in a plane? So the answer will be 0 for minimum, because for minimum they will never intersect each other. They can always be parallel to each other and can go parallel in infinitely in both the direction. So the answer is D for minimum number. And next we have the maximum number. So maximum number of points is 0. We have seen. Now three of these lines, they can intersect at one point. So so one is possible. They can also intersect in 2 points. How? This is 1, this is 2. They are intersecting at 2 points. And the last one is 3. That how they are intersecting in the 3 points. They can also intersect in the 3 points with each other. So the answer will be 3 here. Next is choose the correct statement. We have to find the correct statement. First is every line has a definite length. This is false. Every ray has a definite length. Again, it is false. Every line segment has a definite length, which is true. 14th is how many rays can be drawn with a given point, 1 point as the initial point. So again, it is infinite number of rays we can draw, right? We have done this question in the previous exercise also. This is unlimited number. Next is choose the false statement. We have to see which one is the false statement. AB is a line which is equal to BA line. This is true. We have done. AB is a ray which is equal to BA ray. This is false. Why? Because the starting point of the rays is not same. So the rays cannot be same here. Third is line segment AB and BA. They are equal. Yes, because they have definite length. And the last one is the ray AB is not equal to the line AB, which is always true. Which is always true. Yeah. So this is the statement we have here. AB and is equal to BA rays. They are equal. This is a false statement because they can never be equal. Next is where does the vertex of an angle lie? In its interior, in its exterior, or on the angle. So we know that if I make any angle OAB, this is the vertex and it lies on the angle. It is not interior, not exterior. It is on the angle. 17th is the figure formed by two rays with the same initial point. So these are two rays. They have the same initial point. Is called a ray, a line, or angle. This is called as a angle. Now, an angle measuring 180 degree is a straight line. It's a straight angle. Then angle measuring 90 is the right angle. We know this. Angle measuring 91, which is greater than a right angle, will be obtuse angle. Angle measuring 270. So again, 270 is greater than 180, but it is less than 360 degrees. Okay. So this will be a reflex angle. Next is the measure of a straight angle is. The measure of a straight angle is 180 degree. Going to the next page. An angle measuring 200 degree is like what we said. It is 200 is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Okay. So 200 is greater than 180 degree but it is less than 360 degrees. So that means it's a reflex angle. Next is an angle measuring 360 degree is a complete angle, right? It's a complete angle. Now, a reflex angle measures, it is this, greater than 180, less than 360. So, this is more than 180, less than 270. No, it is more than 180, less than 360. Next is two right angles. We did this question. Two right angle is 180 degrees. 3 by 2 of right angle. So 3 by, kids, I am solving it here. 3 by 2 of right angle is 90. 2 divided by 90 is 45. So we have to multiply 45 with 3. This will give 3 into 5 is 15. 4, 3, 12, 13. So this is 135 degree. Okay. Next is if there are 36 spokes in a bicycle wheel. So a bicycle wheel is in a form of a circle. It is completely making 360 degrees. Now, what is being said here is that it has 36 spokes, means these are 36 lines here, equally dividing it. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to find the angle between the pair of adjacent spokes. So how we can do? We have to divide the complete by number of spokes, which is simple, 10 degree here. Okay, we have done similar question for the flag also. So this brings us to the end of this exercise 9C, and in the next class we will pick the last exercise from this chapter. from RS Aggarwal. So I will see you all in the next class now.